Okay guys, so major changes going on in the channel as you can see. So I've been using this lavalier microphone, the Boya By-MM1, for over a year now, and it's been a great microphone. It has served me really well, but I've decided to upgrade to the Boya By-MM1 right here. So in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and also a sound check to see how this Boya compares with the lavalier microphone that I'm using right now.
Right, so it says universal cardio microphone. Let's open this up. Let's see. Oh, okay. Put it the wrong way. Okay, so from the box we've got this and Boya stickers and some warranty. Okay, so this is the actual microphone. Here we've got, I think this is a TRS to a, this is the TRS connector. This is the shock mount. Yeah, this is called the shock mount. This is shock mount. Very nice, very sturdy. Okay, I think this is for the camera. This is a TRR to TRR connector. Hope I'm saying that's right. And it also comes with this bag, which is really nice. It's really cool. I think all Boya, even this the lavalier microphone also comes with this. So all Boya products, I think they've got this, which is great. Okay, so the actual microphone already has this dead cat connected to it. I don't know. Maybe this is the way I got mine. Okay, so the actual microphone should be inside the dead card. Okay, so there you go. Your Boya By-MM1 shotgun microphone. This looks really nice. This is metal. Yeah. It's the dead card. I'm going to put this back in. I believe it's much better that way, so it will protect from wind and any other interference. So yeah, that's basically all that's in it. I'm not really impressed with this because this looks like plastic and it's going to break, but just take it with care. Yeah, basically that's what we have in the box. I'm loving this bag though. I really love this bag, so it's really going to come in handy.
So the good thing about the Boya is that it comes with these two cables, the TRS connectors. This one goes directly from the Boya to the camera, whereas this one with 3 rings, this is the TRS connector. It goes from the Boya to your phone. For me, I film with my phone, so this is what I'm going to be using for now, and this will really come in handy when I do upgrade to a camera. So right here you can already see it is written here microphone, and here says smartphone. So I'm going to connect this and we're going to see how it sounds compares to this particular By-MM1 that I'm using right now. So yeah, let's get to that. So I've got the Boya By-MM1 connected right now straight up to my phone, and this is how it sounds. I'm going to see that in post edit. I don't know how it sounds right now, but it should be considerably better than the Boya By-MM1 which I was using previously. I'll do another sound so you see how it compares with just my onboard microphone on my smartphone, so that if I was using my onboard microphone and how this one would sound. Alright, so this is the onboard microphone on my smartphone. I think this should be a lesser quality compared to the By-MM1 and the By-MM1, but I'm going to hear all that in post-production. So, alright, so the sound you're listening to right now is the sound coming directly from my Boya By-MM1, which I've been using for over a year now. So I think it should be of lesser quality compared to the upgraded By-MM1. So also tell me in the comment section below which of the sounds you prefer and which actually sounds better. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, you found it interesting, please click the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I do unboxing videos, tech and get reviews, vlogs, and how to do YouTube in Nigeria and also in Africa. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.